guys, and welcome to my New York Central Water Level Route series of videos. In my opinion, the Water Level Route is probably the nicest East Coast train ride you could take. Leaving New York City, you go up the Hudson River, and then at Albany, you make a left-hand turn and go down the Mohawk River, and then you eventually come up to Niagara Falls. And some of the scenery there was absolutely spectacular in the fall, especially with the changing of the leaves. And you'll just have to use your imagination to picture the scenery, just because I don't have a permanent layout yet. But these steam locomotives, in my opinion, represent the golden age of the water level route. The New York Central had some really nice steam locomotive designs, the Hudsons, the Niagaras, the Mohawks, and there were very, very effective steam locomotives too. And they pulled some absolutely beautiful passenger trains, some really impressive fast pacemaker freights, and then of course the World War II troop trains and military trains. So we're going to see all of that now, and then we're going to jump into the post-war time period with the E7s and the Niagara, and then we'll also jump into the Penn Central and Amtrak era. And then finally, to wrap it up, I'm going to talk about some of the New York City trackage that I like, such as the West Side Freight Line and the Croton-Harmon area. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoy it, and I will talk to you at the end of the video series. Take care.
Watch your step.
Wow, look at that locomotive. Ain't she a beauty? Isn't she, dear? And that she is.
All aboard! All aboard the Empire State Express.
Hi, my name's Timmy.
Nice to meet you, Timmy. The Empire State Express is now departing. All aboard!
6013 at Harmon. Air's up and crew's on board. Ready for orders. Over.
Copy that. You're clear to proceed east. Over.
Roger that. Clear on signal indication. Out.
Let's start with the light stuff. Get these bags out. The carts are here waiting.
This is the operator. You're clear to proceed. Over.
Roger that. Clear on signal indication. Out.
Well, thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. This was the New York Central's water level route from World War II up to the post-war days. In the next video, I'm going to show you the decline of the water level route, and we're going to run some really dirty Penn Central stuff, some Amtrak, and then we'll get into some New York City short lines stuff that I like. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.